Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix Instagram notifications not showing on iPhone. So in the case that you are experiencing problems like this, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to fix this problem, so please watch until the end to find out. What we want to do first is to basically go ahead and check your iPhone notification settings. You need to double check, of course, if you have notifications turned on for the Instagram application. So to do that, all we need to do is to access our notification settings. So tap on your settings, tap on notifications, and scroll all the way down until you see the Instagram application. Now make sure that your notifications are allowed and these alerts are also enabled so that you're going to basically have more options to see in your notifications. Now one more thing that you could also do is to double check if you have Do Not Disturb turned on. So if you have already checked that your notifications are allowed, you may have your focus session set to Do Not Disturb. So you're going to make sure that these are turned off so that you're going to receive notifications from Instagram. And one more method that we can also do is to double check our internet connection, because of course, our network connection is going to be one of those factors as to why we are not receiving notifications from Instagram. So you got to double check, of course, over on your cellular data or your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better for you and just go with that. And all we need to do lastly is to restart our devices. Now, if all of those methods did not work, our last resort is to restart our iPhone. That is how you guys could fix this problem. Please comment down below if it worked, like and subscribe if you learned something. I'll see you guys on the next one.